Multiple worksheets in a single workbook is a useful feature of Excel. Sometimes you need to link an entire column between worksheets. This tutorial will show you how to link Excel columns between worksheets. Open the Excel workbook with the column that you want to transfer to another worksheet. You will need to highlight the entire column. Do this by clicking the header of the column. Now you need to copy this, so right-click and click Copy. Now you need to navigate to the sheet where you will paste the column and link it to the original sheet. Here we are pasting it into Sheet 2. Highlight the column you want to link to as before. Here we are linking to column A. Now right-click and navigate to Paste Special, then click on the Paste Special option. This will open a new window. In the window that has appeared, click on the Paste Link button in the bottom left-hand corner. This will insert the data into the new sheet and have it linked to the original. You will notice that many zeros have appeared. To remove these, highlight the column once again, right-click on it and click Format Cells. Navigate to the Custom category and in the Type field, enter 0, semicolon, hyphen 0, semicolon, semicolon, @ symbol. Click OK and the window will disappear, and so will the zeros. Now, to check the link has been successful, change a value in the original sheet, Cost Data. Here we are renaming New Cup to Large Cactus. Once done, navigate back to Sheet 2 and you will see that the data here has been changed as well.